Stop scrolling. Imagine making a high-protein meal in just minutes using only your microwave and a mug. Start your day with a savory egg white mug omelet. Just whisk eggs, spinach, and feta, microwave for 90 seconds, and enjoy 20 grams of protein. For lunch, try a chickpea mug cake. Blend chickpeas, protein powder, spice, and microwave for a quick, filling bite. Craving something sweet? Overnight protein oats in a mug are ready to heat and eat. Prep these on Sunday in portable mugs for effortless grab-and-go meals all week, fueling your goals with zero fuss.